I ain't got a clue, bruh.
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own condo and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoe on my feet, I bought it. The clothes I'm wearing, I bought it. The rock I'm rocking, I bought it. 'Cause I depend on me. If I wanted the watch I'm wearing, I bought it. The house I live in, I bought it. The car I'm driving, I bought it. I depend on me. I depend on me. All the women independent. Throw your hands up at me. All the honeys making money. Throw your hands up at me. All the mamas rocking dollars. Throw your hands up at me. All the ladies truly feel me. Throw your hands up at me. Girl, I didn't know you could get down like that. Charlie, how your angels get down like that. Girl, I didn't know you could get down like that. Charlie, how your angels get down like that. Tell me how you feel about this. Do what I want, live how I wanna live. I worked hard and sacrificed to get what I get. Ladies, it ain't easy being independent. Question, how'd you like this knowledge that I brought? Bragging on that cash that he gave you as a front. If you're gonna brag, make sure it's your money in front. You know no one else to give you what you want. Shoes on my feet, clothes I'm wearing, rock I'm rocking, 'cause I depend on me. If I want it, the watch.
I don't really wanna compromise friendship, but I got a thing for you, yeah. And I don't really wanna cross the line, but I'm kinda really hoping that we do low key. We be keeping it.
I would be lost out here.
The rose, right? You be ready to hop on the bird.
I think I got all that. They got the bird. Them green scooters. What are they, lime or something?
The limelight flight or something.
I got one or the other one. I can't remember which one I got. The app already.
Okay, y'all, so we made it to the hotel room. So I'm about to show y'all what the room is giving real quick. So this the door. I think this is a little closet. Got us an urn, need that. Ooh. Then when you come this way, here's the bathroom. Let me put, that's all loud. There's me. Check it, girl. Check it, girl. Okay. And then a shower. I wish they just had 2 sinks though, but that's okay. And then in here is the room. Got 2 beds. Bro, what you?
My bad.
I'm keeping it right there in there too. We got this little bar area.
Disregard.
And we got a little sitting area over here. And yeah, y'all, that's the room. She's real cute. She's real cute. And it looks so pretty outside. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah, that's real pretty. Okay, y'all, so we just put on a little beach attire. I should have showed y'all us in the mirror. They showing your beach. See it. We about to go to the beach just for a little bit.
A little chill shit.
Just for a few hours before dinner, so we about to go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. Wait, what can I say? Have a drink. Get real.
That big ass lid.
Oh. Oh my god. Right.
They got them. They got one of them straw umbrellas on.
Oh, okay. Gotta go to pools. Yeah, super fun.
Bar and shit on there.
Yeah.
You can sit in the water in bar.
Oh yeah, we did.
Man, look at this view, man.
Too crazy.
Hell yeah.
Guys, amazing. Crazy, beautiful.
Some people freak out. I don't know how I would get yoga.
So we just finished at the beach slash little resort area, chilling by the beach, and we're about to go and get dressed because we're about to go to dinner. So you're about to go to the room, get our life together, so we can get dressed for real. Yeah, look, we see this pair right here.
What's up, buddy?
What's up?
What's up? What's goody? We lit. Baba.
He was repeating you for a second. Oh, not you. Don't whistle at my man. All right, we out. Bye.
You good?
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Finally back from the beach, and we are getting ready to go out to dinner for tonight. So I'm trying to figure out what I want to do to my hair. Actually, I'm gonna put it back in this bun so I can do my makeup first. Actually, so as far as my makeup go, I think I'm gonna just do some. I think I'm gonna just do my eyebrows and maybe a little like foundation and contour. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy for real. That's literally it. So let me find my brush. My eyebrow brush. Okay. Boom, boom. I need my concealer. Then I use little brush. Honestly, y'all, I'm not that good at doing my makeup, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and then I will tap back in with y'all when it's time for me to figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair and like just get all my outfits together. So I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so we went in the lobby waiting for our shuttle. Yo, I'm so tired, but I'm gonna stick the night through. We're gonna last throughout the night. And it's gonna be a vibe. It's gonna be a vibe. Okay, y'all, so we just got to our second spot. We're about to go and eat dinner at this spot. I don't even know what it's called, but we're about to go eat dinner. And I'm gonna show y'all the vibes when we get inside. We gotta eat first and drink. Yeah, your stomach too sensitive. Good morning, y'all. It is the next day, and we're trying to find some breakfast food because we're hungry. Well, I'm not really hungry. He's hungry though. I'm not really hungry. So they said across the street. What place he talking about across the street? glad the wind blowing because it's hot. But yeah, we're trying to figure out some breakfast. When we figure out the breakfast, I'll hit y'all back. Y'all still gonna eat that salt and pepper. See what the vibes is giving. Ooh, shade. Thank God. This is doing just looking at it, me. Salt and pepper.
This the syrup?
It look like it. Now this what the food giving. Thank you. What's sauce? This sauce. This is cute. I must be choking on something. He okay? It's like sometimes I be wanting to try syrup.
Just put a little bit on there, babe.
Yeah, I might put a little bit. See, I'll put a little bit. Or maybe on the side or something.
I think we call it salt, pepper, and ham or salt, pepper.
It's right here, baby. Look, did you notice they have like a whole bunch of different salt and pepper shakers all the way around? That's cute.
That's fire. Look at the two dogs up there kissing.
Oh yeah, I seen it.
That's fire. I didn't even think of that. My damn ass. This one hard though.
Yeah, I like that one. Oh, look at the little bears on that table. That's cute. That's probably why they call it salt and pepper. They got a whole bunch of shakers from around the world. I feel like it tastes burnt. Try a little bit of syrup. See what it tastes like first. Hey. Put some syrup on there. Definitely got to spin a block and come get some shirts and stuff for show. Oh, these sandals so cute, but they so hard to walk in. So these. As y'all see, girls back in the room, and y'all, I'm laying down just trying to chill because today is the day of the wedding. I don't know if I told y'all in this vlog, but the whole point of me coming to Aruba was because my dad, let me pause this video. I said because my dad, girl, what? My boyfriend's dad is getting married. So like that's the whole point of us coming to Aruba. They having, you know, a destination wedding. And today is the day of the wedding. It is currently 1:21 and we have to be ready by 4:30 so we can head to the place where the wedding is at. So right now I'm just trying to lay down, chill, relax, because y'all, it's gonna be a long night, a long day. I'm already knowing. So I'm trying to lay down and chill so, you know, I won't be tired. So yeah, I'm just in here watching Bad Karen on YouTube, chilling until it's time to get ready. I'll probably start getting dressed at, gotta be ready at 4:30. So I'm still getting dressed around like 3 o'clock. All right, y'all, so I'm so sorry I did not show y'all to get ready with me, but y'all, I was on the time crunch and things wasn't just working out the way it was supposed to. so dramatic. No. Don't do that. But yeah, y'all, we here. Dress is on. Yo, why would I? Why? But I still lotion on my dress. Now my dress look crazy, but it's not. But yeah, we're waiting on the shuttle, and then we're gonna be out. I know, I just got it. I just got it.
Yeah, I don't know. Stay cool. How you doing,
Okay, y'all, so we on the shuttle. So we on the
Hey, Sean, you bought that with you? Yeah, I got it. Yeah, you
and my mom. Wedding time.
Oh shit. We look too
that shit to say.
Hey,
Chris, what the bottle at?
Yeah, I should have brought that. Yeah, I'm about to head to the wedding. Let's do it.
What's your name?
Now, of course, the bride may be presented to the groom. Everyone may be seated at this time. Congratulations to you. You may now kiss me.
Y'all, so we just been taking pictures.
Just me and my baby. Just me and my Why they flowers is crazy like that?
It's like a
damn
spaceship
spaceship
or
or something.
something. Yeah.
No,
it do.
for real.
Put up to the restaurant where the reception is at. It's called Aruba Beach, I think. This is what it looks like. Let me let y'all see it. Yeah, Aruba Beach. So I better go here and see what the food is hitting for. Oh, take that tent down on my bun. Oh, they're going this way. What? Y'all, so this was my plate. It's giving real good.
He went to
And
the
this is what
headquarters
they
because he about to get off work and another man gonna come back to the bus.
All right, y'all. So we came back to the room, but I came back to change my shoes. I'm about to go out here and take some pictures with my heels and my dress because, yeah, the dress with the heels eat down. So I'm about to go take some pictures, and after that, we going outside. We outside all night. Like, period. We outside. We out. We done taking pictures. Oh yeah, in there.
Hey, I got some Red Bulls in there, baby. Come on.
Oh yeah, let's see. Yeah, we trying to see if they got Red Bulls or Celsius. Yeah, so get 2 Red Bulls. We'll get 2 Red Bulls. Y'all, it's literally 11:54, and we trying to make it to South Beach before 1 o'clock, before everything closes. Is it crazy or what? I don't think so. It'll be good though. I'm sure. I think we'll be good. What do you mean? We gotta go this way. Okay, y'all, so we is done at this club. We about to go back to the hotel and try to find something else to get into. I hope y'all can hear me, because I don't know. Hopefully y'all can though. But we about to go to the hotel and see what we get into.
Got a thing for you.